Okay, so let's demonstrate the Google Glass. So I can just pop it on, which is quite difficult to do with no hands. Okay, and if I just tap the side of it and open the main menu, I can scroll to the Electriphy application. Okay, and as soon as it starts up, we can see that it's connecting, and then it's connected, and now it's connected to the Electriphy system, as we can see in the status indicator in the bottom left hand side. We can also see in the bottom right hand side my email address, and this is basically the UID for the user of this session. We can see that a motor is listed and an RFID chip, and these are the devices that are connected to the system. We can also see a value next to each of these. We can see the motor is set to 0, and we can see that the RFID chip is set to true. Now, why would that be? It's because there is an RFID chip resting on the RFID sensor, and as soon as I remove that, you can see that it turns to false. The motor isn't a sensory device, it's a device that requires some kind of action invoking by the user. So how do we do that? We can just tap on the Google Glass and it opens up a menu. Adjust motor, let's do that. A slider appears and we can move along the slider and we can see the motor turn, and then we can move back and again we can see the motor turn. Finally, if we want to tear the system down, again we can just open up the menu and click stop, and this will safely tear down the whole system. So it will close the system on the Google Glass. It will close the server down and empty any arrays and collections, and finally it will remove any listeners that the Phidgets kit might have. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the demonstration.